Haley is opening her big gift for the year.
Yeah, I wonder what it is. How do I open this thing? Oh.
No, be careful opening.
Be careful opening it.
There's more and more things.
What?
So there's more and more rats.
Talk a little louder.
There's more and more rats. Carefully opening up this present.
Oh, I thought you would.
Yeah, I'll kill you if you rip it. Let me see your face. What is it?
It's a poster.
But what?
Of One Direction.
What do it say down the bottom?
Merry Christmas. Oh my God!
What does it say? What does it say?
You're welcome. You're welcome. You can open
What does it
This
say?
is Merry Christmas from Harry.
Huh?
This is Merry Christmas from Harry.
No, did you read the rest of it?
No, oh yeah, it says Haley Bob too. Yeah, but like.
It is a personalized poster.
Yeah, because it's limited edition.
And it's a limited edition. Do you want to? Is a number on there? Limited edition, number 212 of 500. They only made 500 of these.
Oh my God.
What's taking you guys so long?
Thank you, Mommy and Grammy.
Thank you, Mommy and Grammy.